Children, welcome back to my class. So today I am going to explain you worksheet 1, putting out a fire. One morning, the wind's children, the merry little breezes, play in a meadow. Then one day they saw that the meadow was on fire. The merry little breezes realized that the animals and people who lived there were in danger. As they were playing one day, so they saw that the meadow was on fire, and the merry little breezes realized that the animals and people are in danger. So one of them carried a capful of smoke to where the rabbits, mice and foxes lived. They carried the capful of smoke where the rabbits, mice and foxes lived. The animals smelled the smoke and hid near the pond. As they saw that smoke, so they hid near the pond. Then the merry little breezes gathered, G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D, gathered a large cloud of smoke and carried it to Farmer Brown's yard. Yes, this farmer name is Farmer Brown's. Yard is nothing but a field. So they blew a little smoke through an open window into Farmer Brown's house. They started blowing the smoke through the open window. I smell smoke, the meadow is on fire, cried Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown started crying. I smell smoke, my field is on fire. He and his helpers tried to fight the fire, but it had spread too far. They wanted to help and try to fight with the fire, but the fire spread all along the field. Just then the merry little breezes appeared. The merry little breezes appeared there. They had blown a great black rain cloud to the meadow. They started blowing the great black rain cloud. When it was just over the fire, the cloud burst open and it rained. Then they started raining. The Farmer Brown started saying that how lucky I am that the rain came at the right time. Who said this? Farmer Brown. Yes, very good. Farmer Brown said, yes, I am so lucky that the rain came at the right time. Then, now you and I know that it was not luck, but the quick work of the helpful merry little breezes. Yes, children, who worked hard here? Yes, very good. Merry little breezes worked very hard and saved the meadow. Here meadow is nothing but field with grass and wild flowers. Merry is nothing but happy. Breezes is gentle winds. Okay, now you have to answer these questions. First one, who were the merry little breezes? Where did they live? Merry little breezes were the wind's children and they played in a meadow. Second, who warned the meadow folk about the fire? The merry little breezes warned about the fire. Third, what did Farmer Brown smell in his house? He smelled smoke in his house. Fourth, how did the great black cloud come to the meadow? Merry little breeze blown a great black rain cloud to the meadow. Okay, fifth one, why did Farmer Brown call himself lucky? Was it really luck that saved his farm? No, it was not luck, but the hard work of whom? Yes, very good. Merry little breezes who carried the cloud to the meadow that saved his farm. Okay. Now children, this is your homework. Sixth question. Name any two jobs where people help others. You have to write any two jobs and how they used to help people, that you have to mention here. Okay. Now, B-bit. Find the words from the text which mean the same as these. The chance of something bad happening to someone is nothing but danger. Second, went where they could not be found, hid. Third, stopped something bad from happening to someone, saved. Now come for the grammar bit. Identify the proper nouns and common nouns. Proper noun is specific name of a person, place, animal or thing, and it always starts with a capital letter. Whereas common noun is a small letter and it is a general name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now you have to color the balloons that have proper nouns in yellow and the ones that have common nouns in pink. Proper noun in yellow, common noun in pink. Small letters will be a common noun and capital letters will be proper nouns. Okay, this you have to do. And color with crayons or color pencils. Avoid sketches. Don't use sketches. Now next bit. Complete these lines with the correct nouns for the group. Here are the help box. You have to write the correct words. First, a pile of clothes, a bouquet of flowers, a pack of wools, a pair of shoes, a school of fish, a range of mountains, a group of dancers, a quiver of arrows. Okay, next vocabulary. Match these sound words to the correct pictures. First one, the blowing sound will be pop, P-O-P, pop. Then thud, she has fallen, thud, T-H-U-D, thud. Jangle, J-A-N-G-L-E, jangle. Drip, D-R-I-P, drip. Then next, H-I-S-S, hiss. Next one, spelling part. This is one type of a game for you children. So what you have to do, just listen carefully. With the help box, here are some 12 words. These words are correctly spelled. Now you have to see, you have to revise it and close your eyes. Then read the spellings carefully. Then open your eyes and start writing in a blank the spellings. And check whether you have written correctly or not. Okay, these 12 words you have to write without seeing the help box. Hide this and you have to write here. And check whether you have written correct or not. Then the next bit. Now try to correct these wrongly spelled words without looking at the words given to you. See children, these are the words which are wrongly spelled. Okay, now you have to write the correct spellings. Beautiful, machine, rhyme, switch, pleased, light, questions, often, journey, night, wrong, gentle. Okay, now writing part. Complete this flowchart. The dash would play every morning in a meadow. Who used to play? Merry Little Breezes. Very good. One day they saw that the animals and people in the meadow were in danger because it was on fire. They carried some smoke to the meadow. The animals smelled the smoke and hid near the pond. Very good. Next, then they gathered Farmer Brown's yard and blew a little smoke inside his house. Next, Farmer Brown and his helpers tried to put out the fire, but it had spread too far. Just then, the Merry Little Breezes returned with a great black rain cloud. It burst open and rained. Farmer Brown thought that he was lucky because it rained just in time. But we know that the meadow was saved by the quick work of the Merry Little Breezes. Okay, children? Now what you have to do? You have to do this bit without seeing, okay? You have to play this game. And what is your homework? This is your homework. Name any 2 jobs where people help others. So that's all. We have completed our first worksheet. And if you want more grammar, so you just go to my YouTube channel, that is English Chatty Rocks. Okay, and please subscribe if you like the videos. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.